Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare CoinDCX and CoinSwitch. Both CoinDCX and CoinSwitch are lending cryptocurrency exchanges in India, but they cater to different types of users. CoinDCX is India's largest cryptocurrency exchange, offering spot trading, futures, stacking, and lending with a strong focus on security and regulatory compliance. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading features, CoinDCX caters to both beginners and experienced traders. However, a major con is its limited availability outside India, making it less suitable for global traders. CoinSwitch is a user-friendly cryptocurrency investment platform designed for beginners, allowing easy buying, selling, and swapping of cryptocurrency. The platform is known for its simple interface, making it ideal for beginners who want to invest in crypto without dealing with complex trading charts or order types. However, a major con is its lack of advanced trading features such as futures, margin trading, stacking, or lending. In my opinion, CoinDCX is better for advanced traders with future, stacking, and margin trading, while CoinSwitch is ideal for beginners looking for simple crypto investment. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.